our lovely stylist Vic here, hi
Hi,
Vic, is going to teach us a little bit about thinning alternate hair. This video is mostly going to be hopefully a good reference, like a good resource for your stylist so they know what to do, but also just, you know, if you're interested, here's a little bit more about what we do to them. So if someone's taking their topper or wig to their stylist to have it thinned out, what does their stylist need to know?
Well, the first thing, like with anything for hygiene reasons and also for the cut, is start with fresh, clean, blow-dried hair. So blow-dry as straight as possible and as flat as possible, because as soon as you blow-dry any volume into it, as we like to do for people that do normally have hair, it will make the piece stick out more. So you just want it to be flat, so when you bring your scissors, it just glides over the hair a lot more, because remember, this hair is quite thick, the cuticle layer is quite thick, so whatever you do to it, you will see it quite prominently because of how the hair is.
Yeah, that makes total sense.
So this has been washed, dried, and I've gone through it with a round brush and just tried to blow dry it nice and straight. So my tips.
And you've sectioned off a bit here.
Yep. So I'm not going to show you the full haircut.
We're not going to do a 45-minute video.
You'll be here for a long time.
Yeah.
But you go up by the wefts. You can see I've taken very neat section by the wefts.
Oh, yes, lovely.
Yes.
Very nice.
And my next tip would be, obviously, hold the hair nice and flat, because you've already blow dried it flat, and using your scissors in a parallel.
Yep.
Going down and opening and closing, no gliding. You're not going to be using
it like from? I'll go this way.
Yeah. Don't use your scissors like a razor, because then you get it pulling at the hair and you can actually see the cut lines. You just need that open and close motion. And it's really small hair that I'm cutting off, but once I comb that out, you can't see where that hair's come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love it.
So that's how we get that.
Because that's number one. I'm going to go back this way now. That's kind of one thing that we see go wrong a lot, is getting those lines of cut, like when they use like thinning scissors or like, is that right?
Yeah, we don't like thinning scissors because you get the jagged look. You actually see where the cut is, and then that can make it look boofy, and it can just make it look splenendy, which we don't want that.
Yeah, so doing it manually and open and close.
Open and close, no dragging on the hair, no razors on the hair, and taking small sections. You rather take more sections thinner than larger sections and taking too much out.
Yeah.
So I can show you that motion again.
I'll go here.
Open, close, open, close. And so when I comb that down, even though there's hair coming off and it feels thinner, you can't see where that hair's been cut.
Yeah, I love it. Amazing. What about tips for like thinning around the face and face framing? Is that any different or same thing?
Same thing. Always use that motion, open and closing, bringing your scissors, almost like when you would taper a haircut. It would be the same with that, making sure you don't pull on the hair. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a face frame. So you can see I'm opening and closing my blade. There's no tension, no cut lines, and it's very smooth all the way through. You can see the difference of the shape that it makes around the face.
Yeah.
Another thing that you can do as well, if there are some layers that are coming in the way, you can do the same motion, but just that mid to end section, and again, not having to start so far up.
That's when there are already layers.
Yeah. If you're needing to blend in some layering, again, it just makes that disconnection that you would see on this side.
Yes, so when a piece is constructed layered, which our pieces are, the hair is not all one, length, it is layered. So yeah, if you're having issues with layers or anything like that, that's what you can do.
Yeah. So just taking that top layer, opening and closing that mid to length area. You can see that it's seamlessly.
Let's bring it together.
Blend it together. That's a before. You can see that the layers here are disconnected.
Yeah. This, by the way, disclaimer, this is obviously not a finished piece or anything.
No.
This is a wig that we have not yet coloured, have not yet cut. We just thought we'd start with an untouched piece to kind of show you a bit of cutting.
Yeah.
But yes, so that's kind of a bit of what you do to all of our wigs.
Yeah.
All of our stock wigs is it goes through all this process.
We do that all behind the scenes. So obviously a haircut takes a lot longer. I've just shown you a couple of tips and tricks if your stylist needs to do that little bit extra something for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is not the end of the story.
But hopefully that helps. Thank you so much, Vic. And if you've got any more questions, let us know.